iPhone camera app removed the vivid filter option. So, how can you get that colorful, vivid look back on your photos? In this video, I'll show you the new way to set vivid on your iPhone. If you recently updated your iPhone, you may notice that the vivid filter is no longer available directly inside the camera app. But don't worry, Apple moved this option to the Photos editing section. First, open your iPhone settings. Then tap on iPhone camera app. Then tap on Formats. Then here select Most Compatible. Keep in mind, this works only if you're shooting in the most compatible format. If you're using high efficiency or Apple ProRAW, the classic filters option, including Vivid, may not be available. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now select any photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit button in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Filters icon. Here you will find different filter options. Scroll through the list and select Vivid. You can adjust the intensity of the Vivid filter using the slider to get the perfect look. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done to save your changes. Now your photo will have brighter colors, better contrast, and a more vibrant look. So, even though Apple removed the Vivid filter from the camera app, you can still apply it after taking a photo, as long as you're using the most compatible camera format. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone camera tips.